Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI image generation platform that allows you to create high-quality images from text prompts. You simply type a description like ultra-realistic cinematic portrait, dramatic lighting, 8K, and MidJourney generates professional-level images in seconds. It's mainly used through Discord, and it's famous for producing artistic, cinematic, and commercial-ready visuals. Why MidJourney is powerful for making money. MidJourney doesn't make you money directly, it creates assets you can sell or use to build income streams. Think of it as a money printing tool if used correctly. Real ways to make money using MidJourney. 1. Sell AI images on stock websites. You can sell MidJourney images on platforms like stock image marketplaces that allow AI content, design marketplaces, digital asset stores, images that sell well, business concepts, backgrounds and textures, abstract art, fantasy and sci-fi scenes, minimal product mock-ups. One good image can sell over and over again. 2. Use MidJourney for print-on-demand POD. This is huge. Create t-shirt designs, wall art, posters, phone cases, hoodies and mugs. You don't print anything yourself. You upload designs, customer orders, supplier prints, you profit. Free freelancing with AI art. Many people pay for book covers, album covers, YouTube thumbnails, website hero images, social media visuals. You can offer AI-assisted design services on freelance platforms, social media, direct clients. Fast delivery equals competitive advantage. For YouTube, TikTok, and content creation. Use MidJourney to create video thumbnails, background visuals, story illustrations, short-form content visuals. AI visuals dramatically increase click-through rate. 5. Bundle and sell digital products. Examples: 100 AI fantasy backgrounds, Instagram quote images, YouTube thumbnail packs, AI wallpaper collections. Create once, right arrow, sell many times. Skills needed to succeed with MidJourney. Let's be honest, you don't need to be an artist. Basic skills enough to start. Writing clear prompts, prompt engineering, basic image selection, simple editing, crop, resize, text overlay, understanding what people want to buy. Advanced skills, optional but powerful. Prompt styles and modifiers. Upscaling and refinement. Photo, shop touch-ups. Market trend research. Branding and packaging. The real skill is knowing what sells, not just what looks cool. How beginners should start step by step. Step 1. Subscribe to MidJourney. Choose a basic plan. Learn prompt structure. Practice styles. Step 2. Pick one income path. Don't do everything at once. Choose stock images, pod, freelancing, content creation. Step 3. Create in batches. Generate multiple variations. Pick the best. Improve and refine. Step 4. Polish the final output. Resize properly. Add text if needed. Remove imperfections. How much can you make with MidJourney? Real talk. Some earn nothing, no strategy. Some earn side income. Some build full businesses. MidJourney is not magic, it's a tool. Your income depends on consistency, market research, smart usage. Common mistakes beginners make. Avoid these. Generating random art with no purpose. Ignoring copyright and platform rules. Not editing AI outputs. No branding or packaging. Expecting instant money. Strategy beats talent every time. Why MidJourney is a game changer. No drawing skills needed. Extremely fast production. Endless creativity. Scales easily. Perfect for digital businesses. If you combine AI plus strategy, you're ahead of most people. MidJourney is not about art. It's about solving visual problems for people. If your image helps someone sell, promote, decorate, entertain, then it can make you money. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.